In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson WorkForce WF-7620 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-7620 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, should come back with an Epson support link. This is Epson WorkForce WF-7620. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down here, select the operating system from the drop-down that is pertinent to your system, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that. And then once you've done that, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher. Select Yes. And then just close out the browser. It should say this file contains the installer to obtain everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce WF-7620. Select OK to proceed and just let this install here. And then you can customize different options and features you may want to install alongside your printer, as well as your preferred connection type, whether you want a wired or wireless-based connection. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.